Hey H2 Plumbers, my name is Lee Terbianic, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because I can read minds, and the answer is oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I have found by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things that they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, Lee, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, just shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of the video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above the competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. The first thing I want to go over is content. Content is anything that you see on this home screen in it, any words, and it has to be unique content. It can't be copied from anywhere or Google will flag your site for plagiarism. Google typically likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page so you can fit your keywords in without keyword stuffing. So 1 keyword per every 100 words they usually say. Also, the pictures and everything that is behind them, what they're saved as, is content too. So you want to be saving them as keywords that people are typing in the search engine on Google to find your business. So let's start here. I tried pulling up H20PLUMBING.com and it's not showing up. It's saying that it has expired, which obviously isn't a good thing. I don't know if you know that or you don't, but your website is currently not up unless this isn't the right website. But that's what I have, so I think that is. And it also wasn't secure. But so I just did a random search to see if you guys would have showed up first. I did plumber, Van Nuys, California, and Google's broke down into 3 sections. At this top, these are ads. People pay to be up here, pay per click. It can get costly over time, and if you don't do it right, then you'll be wasting a lot of money. The second section is one that we want to focus on, and the third section. The second being your GMB. This is your Google My Business page. So I'm not sure if you have one created. I couldn't find it, but it is separate from your website. So I did look down. I could not find it. But your top guy in this section is the New Flow Plumbing. You want to be in these top 3 because that's where 33% of clicks come from. Is in this section. Now this bottom section is your actual website and its ranking. This is the organic section. So let's start with the GMB section. So I have a tool called WhiteSpark CA to find out how many citations people have. So New Flow Plumbing I put in there. He has 46 citations, which is very easy to beat. You can easily beat him within a month or 2 and get up above him. Now he's got 63 reviews, and that also plays a part in it. And your pictures, that plays a part in it. So we would go out, get you some reviews, some good 5-star reviews from reliable sources, add a bunch of citations, which is a citation is your name, address, and phone number listed across the web in like Yellow Pages, Yext, CityStar, anywhere that your name, address, and phone number can go, that is a citation. And the more that you have, not only ranks you better in this, but also get your name and address and phone number out there so clients can find you. So they had 40 something. You'd want to get around 100, 200, 300, completely swamp them out and be up in this top spot, pulling in all that business. So the last part I want to talk about is this organic section down here. Now, as you can see, Ninja Plumber is in the #1 spot. This is just a directory. Ninja Plumber, then Mike Diamond, Roto Rooter. So I went over here to another tool that I have. It's called Ahrefs, and this will show me an overview of basically all your site stats, your keywords, your backlinks, and your traffic. So I put yours in. It's not showing up for anything. This isn't, I don't even believe this was you guys because your site's expired. But I ended up putting Ninja Plumber to see how hard it would be to beat him out. Now, he has a UR and a DR of 28 and 24. Now, this is your trust flow and this is your backlink profile. That's how strong they are. You want these to be as close as possible and as high as possible. This ranges from 0 to 100, 100 being the best. So, again, they're close, but they're not unbeatable. We could do that. They have 81 referring domains, giving them 415 backlinks. That is what is ranking them at the top. So a backlink is any website that refers back to your website. It's basically a vote from them justifying your website, saying that it's a reliable website and that it's valid. Google loves the more backlinks you have, the higher you'll rank. And they're all not created equal either. Some backlinks are spammy and could hurt you, and some backlinks are very powerful and can help you immensely. You want to get backlinks from relatable websites. So you're a plumber, so if another plumbing website were to have a hyperlink in its content somewhere, and you click it and it shoots to your website, that's a backlink. That would be a good backlink. If a pizza website was referring to a plumber, that has nothing to do with each other. It would not transfer a lot of power to you. So again, they have 415 backlinks, and the best part about this is we can go in there, see what backlinks they have, and get the powerful ones and go apply for your website to have these backlinks. So everything's laid right out here, and then we go and get more. I have access to a pool of backlinks that are very strong, that will take your website right to the top. But besides doing this and that, you could easily beat them within 3 to 6 months, I'd say. So another thing we like to do, we'll go back here a minute, is see what keywords they're ranking for and implement them into yours, because that's huge. This is actual keyword terms that people are typing into Google every month. So plumber Van Nuys, that's a plumber, that's somebody typing in plumber Van Nuys, your city, your state, 300 times with a KD of 5. Now this is monthly volume, and this is keyword difficulty. That's how hard it is to rank for this. So 0 being the easiest to rank for, 100 being the hardest. So a 5 KD is very easy to do. That means if someone were to type in plumber Van Nuys, there's maybe 4 or 5 other websites with this keyword that are trying to rank for it. If this was a 0, that means barely any websites have that. So if you put that in your website and you had strong backlinks to your profile, you would rank high for that and pull 300 searches for that a month, be ranking at the top spot. They're in position 1 for that. We could scroll down. Encino plumber, 250 searches a month with a 0 KD. Boom. That's a big one right there. And we know we could beat these guys out because they're in the #1 spot. 24-hour plumber, Los Angeles, 400 searches and 12. Ninja plumber, that's someone searching directly. Plumber Van Nuys, California, 40 and 6. Plumber Calabasas, 100 and 0. You guys have so many powerful keywords in your area that no one is ranking for, that if I did your website and we built you guys up, you would be pulling in huge traffic, and a lot of business. A lot. I did a search for that Mike guy. They're pulling in 17 grand a month from their website being in the top spot. 525 traffic, $17,000. So that's just a little taste of what you guys could be doing, and I'm the man to get you there. So once again, we went over content. You need at least 1,500 words to 2,000 words on your home page to fit in those keywords that we just went over throughout it, and to be able to pull the people looking for you to your website. Second is citations, which is deal with that map pack. You want at least maybe 100, 200, even 300 to beat out the competition, along with some good reviews and some pictures, and that will start ranking you higher, get in this top map pack. And third would be your link juice, your backlinks. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you could be #1 across Google. I'm psychic, remember? So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time and money, give me a call, 570-240-5257. I'm here, available to help you any time of the day. I look forward to hearing from you. Once again, my name is Lee, 570-240-5257. Hope you have a great day.